People show us who they are every day, right? And someone who hasn't listened to you before, the likelihood that he will listen to you now or again in the future is very, 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 very low. I don't want to say never, because who knows, he can have his own come to Jesus moment and suddenly be amazing. But we're not going to make our choices based on that person. We're going to make choices based on the likelihood that this person is going to keep an agreement with me is very low. So knowing that, how do I want to navigate this? Right? I don't know what that means for you or what it looks like. Often we get in this place of we really want to hold people in the highest and best. I agree. I want us all to hold people in the highest and best, but not to make agreements or do things from a place of wishful thinking as if they'll be different. We want to hold them energetically in the place of their highest selves, and we want to make decisions out of the person they're presenting us day in and day out. The likelihood that he was not going to listen to you, we already know is super high. And in that moment, not to go back and regret or should have changed things, but moving forward more and more, just reminding yourself, like, okay, knowing this agreement might not be kept, how do I want to navigate now?